Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install PHP on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for PHP download. And the first link which will appear here will be from php.net/downloads. So just click on this link. I'm going to put this link in the description of this video also, so you can directly come to this website. If you do just land to the php.net website, then from here you will be able to see the latest release and you will be able to see this downloads tab here. So I'm going to click on the downloads tab and we are in the downloads page. Now on this downloads page, you will be able to see the current stable version. In my case, it's 8.1.2, but you might see some other version in the future. And here you need to click on this option which says Windows Download, which will redirect you to this web page. So here when you will scroll down, you will be able to see the non-thread safe version and you will be able to see the thread safe version. I always prefer to download the thread safe version, which is this one. So I'm going to go under thread safe and then I'm going to download the zip file from here and just wait for the zip file to be downloaded. So once this PHP file is downloaded, just go to the folder where it's downloaded. So first of all, we are going to extract this zip file. So I'm going to right click here and then click on extract all. And for now, I'm going to extract this folder in the downloads folder itself. So I'm going to click on extract. And once this folder is extracted, you just need to cut this folder. And generally, I like to place this folder in my C drive. So I'm going to go to my C drive and paste this folder which I have extracted. So once you have copied this folder to your C drive, I'm going to go inside this folder and see which files are there. We are interested in this file which is called php.exe file. In order to use PHP on your Windows 11 operating system, you need to set the environment variable for PHP, right? So copy the path where your php.exe file is there, right? And then click on this search icon and then search for environment variables. So when I type environment here, you will be able to see this option which says edit the system environment variable. Just click on this option, which is going to open this kind of window, right? Here you need to click on environment variables and then select path environment variable under system variables. So just double click on the path environment variable and then create a new environment variable and paste the path of your PHP folder in which your php.exe file is there, right? So we have copied this folder path from here and here is my php.exe file, right? So same path you need to paste here in the environment variable and then click on OK once again and then click on OK once again. Once this path is set, you are ready to use PHP command. So let's try to check the version of PHP first of all. So I'm going to open the command prompt. So just type cmd in the search bar and then click on command prompt. And once command prompt is open, you can just check the version of PHP by typing php space -v and then press enter. And it's going to show you the version of PHP. So we have installed the PHP version 8.1.2, so it's showing it here. So now let's try to create a very simple PHP hello world program and let's see how we can execute that program. So for that, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a folder on my desktop. So I'm going to right click here and then new folder and I'm going to name it as PHP demo and then press enter. So this folder is created, right? So once this folder is created, I'm going to go inside this folder and here I can create a PHP file. On Windows, you can create a PHP file by just right clicking here and then click on new, and you need to create a text file first of all. So just type the name of the PHP file, for example test, and the extension, which will be PHP, right? And when you press enter here, you will be able to see this kind of warning. Just click on yes, which is going to create this test.php file. If you don't see the extension here, you can click on view and then click on show, and you will be able to see this option which says file name extension. So just click on it once and you will be able to see this .php extension. Once this file is created, you can open it with any editor. I'm going to use for example Visual Studio Code editor, but you can open it with any other editor, right? So let me open with Visual Studio Code editor, and once this file is opened in your editor, just type a very simple hello world PHP program. And in order to run this program, you need to go to the folder in which your PHP file is there. So I'm going to go to my desktop. So on command prompt, you can write cd desktop, and then I'm going to cd into my PHP demo folder. So cd PHP demo. Here I have created my test.php, right? So when I type PHP and the name of the file, in my case test.php, and then press enter, it's going to show me the output hello world, which is this one. I can change this hello world to some other text also, and then save it, and I can run this program once again using PHP command, and you can see my output has been changed, right? If you are using Visual Studio Code, in Visual Studio Code you can open the terminal, which is going to open the terminal in the current folder, and in here you can directly use the PHP command in this integrated terminal. So let me open the command prompt from here, and then I'm going to just type PHP and then test.php, and it's going to show me the result. So I can run the PHP script from the same terminal inside my Visual Studio Code. If you don't know how to install Visual Studio Code, I will put the link of the video in the description of this video, so you can see how you can install Visual Studio Code on Windows 11. So in this way you can install PHP on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.